Benjamin.
Hello.
What are you doing, mate?
I am currently diagnosing a fault on a WEBASTO heater.
What, this one down here?
This one down here. Because we fit and diagnose and repair WEBASTO heaters. And this is on one of the lovely charity vans, Age Concerned. So we're helping these guys out, get us back on the road. I mean, the other day, Jazz, it was like -2 outside, and Jazz went out about half an hour before he went home, turned his heater on, warmed his van up, and then come 5 o'clock, he was like nice and toasty. There you go, beautiful. Holler at your boy for the WEBASTO work.